Hi Xboxers, I'm sure you are play a lot and sometimes your console just gets crashed or freezes in games. This is a common problem for the CPU unit because the thermal paste it's drying up. So you got to put another thermal paste and you got to disassemble your whole console to reach out the CPU unit. And I'm gonna show you how to fit with thermal paste the whole surface, the entire surface of the CPU. It's a simple operation, so let's unassemble it. First of all, you'll got to take out this grill. For this, you can take out by putting a screw on a side and then gently pull out. This is one. Then in the other side, take out the hard drive grill and then the other one, gently removing from here. Okay. If you can see here, I don't have that aluminum cover, so I took them out for heating reasons because the console overheated and then the heated one was not efficiently evacuated, so I removed that grill or that cover, aluminum cover. Now, one of these sides, you got to put a normal screwdriver, not with cross, yeah, a normal screwdriver in every hole and gently pull. So it's a delicate operation, take your time. One side it's freed. Okay, this is one side. And now take out the other side. Put like this and pull. So now we can easily remove. Look on a side and see, let me show you, see these brackets in interior. And then with your hand or with a screwdriver try to, let me show you, and still work. Try to okay, I removed the first part and now let's go here and remove this other part. Now, after you remove the back side, be careful not to break these clips. Remove the front panel. So you have here, let's see, remove this connector. Now, with the screwdriver, with a star fitted in it, remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 screws, black screws. I disassembled before this Xbox console because the thermal paste also dried out, so I changed it before. So if you have a seal here, don't disassemble your Xbox. Very important, you will also have a seal here. So if you have a seal there, it's best for sending to the service center. Do not do this operation because the service center will change your console or repair it for free. But if you want to do it on your risk or losing your warranty, do this and you will repair your console. So now remove these screws. It comes off very easily, the next layer. Okay, so now let's see the CPU unit. So this is a little bit tricky because you have to disassemble almost the whole console. So now remove from the fan this circle, plastic circle. So now, after you unscrewed these 4 screws here, you got to permanently remove. Let's see, I just put it this for not scratching the table, but I scratched it a little bit. Remove your hard drive. You got to remove everything. And now these other two screws holding. Okay, fine. And now let's remove these 2 screws over here. Let's focalize a little bit. The screws over here, this one and this one. And now we have these other 2 screws and we're done. We can remove the main board. Okay. Now let's see. We still have 1 screw left on this side. Take it out. Pull this aluminum and be aware of these pins and take out the main board. After you remove it, be aware and protect this, gently manipulate and use these electronic parts. And now with a screwdriver, remove this CPU bracket. Okay. And now we have removed this cross. Now we have removed on the main board the radiator, and here's the CPU. It says Microsoft 360. Let's turn it a little bit. Okay, so now if you can see in this spot, I don't have paste. You want to push forward the paste in the middle bit, because when you press the radiator, it will take out the paste from the center to the parts. Concentrate in the center, yeah, of the radiator. Oh, hope you can see it. Okay. And now, if you have pasting here, now put the radiator and the fan back. Don't push it so hard. Just push it just a little bit. You want the wires orientated here. Okay. Put the cross back to this side. It must go with click, with some kind of click. Push it just a little bit. And then with a screwdriver, gently push it in. We have just another one. Sorry, let's focalize right. And then push this. Hold the radiator with your hand, and with the other one, push here. So now you put the cross back. This is pretty much it. Now the CPU is fitted with thermal paste on the entire surface. Now let's assemble it back. Be careful when you assemble it on these holes, leave them open, because here is where the top surface will be reintegrated. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Put back your Wi-Fi card here. Okay. Now put back the LED, the Xbox LED, and put back the 2 black screws. So this is the tutorial how to repair your Xbox console when freezing in the game. We are iTechnology Reviews. You got to love technology because technology is part of our lives. Subscribe to our channel, comment below. See you guys, bye.